Hello Amazon shoppers, it's Amy here with 911 Studios, and I just have to give a huge shout out to this Shiatsu massager. This is one of the most unique massagers that I've used, and it is so cool because you can use it in so many different places and it just fits perfectly, like behind your neck, upper back, lower back. You can put it under your legs, under your feet, even put it around the front. If you're having like stomach cramps or anything, it feels so nice. It's got the massage function, but I also really love that it has a heat function. And okay guys, this is what's really cool. It's not just like generalized heat everywhere. The heating nodes actually move too, like the massage modes move. So you can control the direction of the heat and it mixes up the heat, so it's not just in one spot. The heat like goes all the way around, so it's gonna give you like the maximum level of relief for the entire area. It's so nice. I have so much back pain like right behind this shoulder. See, my shoulder just popped like right behind my shoulder blades, like right here. So it has an adjustable strap on the back and I can put it like right around the back of my office chair and it feels so nice. It stays really secure and it's just something that I can add in that heat function. You have your handheld cord, so you can choose all of like the direction of the massage, the intensity, all of that kind of stuff, whether or not you want the heat on or off. So it makes it really simple to control, really easy to use. You're really gonna love it. And I love the outside of it is this nice breathable mesh. So if you are doing the heat function, like heat really helps my muscle pain and soreness, but also I live in Florida and it's hot outside, and so you don't want, you know, your fabric to be like that velvety material or something like that that's gonna get hot and make you sweaty and itchy. This is really nice because it is a really breathable mesh to where even with the heat function on, it still keeps you comfortable and you're not overheating and, you know, making your whole body hot. So I really like this one. It's a great gift. It's great for anyone that, you know, has a lot of foot pain. Like if you're on your feet all the time, nurses, teachers, things like that, you got to get this. You're gonna love it. Put it in your cart. You're gonna be so glad you did.